Premier Agent Forum is about an opportunity for over 2,000 of top real estate agents from around the country to get together for a couple of days, learn, engage, grow, connect with each other, connect with their Zillow Group teammates, and hear what we have to say about the state of the industry, where we're going as a company, and how they can build their business for growth and invest alongside us.
After 5 years, I keep coming back to Premier Agent Forum because every year it keeps getting better. Better speakers, better content, and I feel like I am a partner with Zillow, not just one of their customers.
Zillow Group is nothing without its Premier Agents, and we win together.
What we're trying to associate ourselves with, and we will do publicly, is with the world's finest technically savvy, consumer experience focused real estate professionals anywhere in the world, okay? And that is what the Premier Agent program is all about.
You are the most invaluable form of intelligence in this digital arena. The future isn't just technological, it's actually human.
Every business is built on trust, and especially businesses that involve heavy interactions between people and high-value transactions.
If I have one general learning from working at Robert Hall, is that people are inherently trustworthy.
Where we live has such a tremendous impact on the quality and the character of our lives.
Do you think about what you are ultimately selling? I believe you're selling happiness and a happy family, more than 4 walls and a roof.
It's really, really rare to have an opportunity that you can come to an event that's both casual and professional and be able to learn and network with the best. The knowledge is really priceless. We have industry leaders, we have Peloton, we have Disney, we have people that have performed consistently and been successful. And now they're at these conferences and we're learning from them.
Coming here, I get such great energy, good content, all the sessions, the speakers are first class, and let's be honest, Zillow puts on one heck of a show.
Our promise to you, to continue to listen to you and match the tools and technology that we can bring to the table with the humanity and the expertise that all of you bring. Let's make home happen together.